Sensel is a company based here in Cork, Ireland, and we make a new optical sensor that is used for the detection of light. I have one right here. So it's a silicon-based sensor that's used for light detection, and it's used for detecting very, very low levels of light. And we are selling this to customers who are making medical imaging systems, customers who are developing radiation detection systems, customers developing light detection and ranging systems, and also customers doing biophotonics. Been involved with the European Space Agency for a number of years. I don't remember the exact year we started with them, but we've been involved at this stage probably in 6 separate programs. And they've developed us with different pieces of our technology that we have that we've created. They have sponsored programs that we've been a part of. So we've developed light detection and ranging systems for ESA that are used for navigation systems, and we've also developed sensors for doing spectroscopy. So they want to do gamma ray spectroscopy from space with solid state sensors. We've developed some sensors for them for that application. I had several people think that I might do something more creative. I might be a journalist or something. And I really didn't know, to be honest with you, I didn't know what I wanted to do at all. And my father said, you have to do engineering your first year, and you can change after that if you want. So I decided that was my option. There was no option. So I was going to do engineering. But then the program I got accepted to in Clemson in South Carolina basically allowed me to do it did a general first year. So I didn't have to choose electrical engineering until after the first year. So how I chose electrical engineering was that I basically went around, I don't even know who told me this, but they said, you know what, if you're having trouble deciding what you want to do, they said go around and just look at the labs, see which one you like the most. So I went around and saw the civil engineering lab, and that was big vats of stuff, and it was smelly and dirty. I didn't like that. So that was the chemical engineering. Civil, I kind of didn't, that was kind of alien to me. Mechanical, I didn't really like the stuff they were doing. And then I saw the electrical engineering lab, and that was all computers, and it was nice and clean and very simple. And I said, you know, I like that. That suits me. So I actually that's actually how I decided to move into electrical engineering, was basically going and seeing the labs and saying, well, that looked like the most fun to me. If I'm going to be stuck here for three more years, that's where I'd like to be stuck. So that's how I decided electrical engineering. The work that people do that have that degree are involved in making semiconductor chips, so making integrated circuits that go into all of your cell phones and computers. You have electronics all around you. Everybody's aware of that. And I would say electrical engineers and electronic engineers are working on all of that technology that goes into the communications that we use, that goes into all the technology we use, all the cool little gadgets we have. Some kind of electrical or electronic engineer had to be involved in that. Wow, I wanted to be an astronaut. That's an easy one. I wanted to go into space since I was a little kid. Kind of, given that up a long time ago. I think I realized that there was only a very few number of people that get to go into space. It's very select. The nice thing is I did like getting involved with technology. I do like that our technology can be involved in space. I do like the idea that we're working, and it's very exciting to be working on space programs with the European Space Agency. And we also do work through our customers with NASA and other space programs. So I get excited by that. We've got, one customer has flown our product in the Vomit Comet, the zero-G plane, where it goes up and comes down and goes up and down again. So we were involved in a cytometer project with one of our customers, and they purchased our products and they were using it in a NASA-funded program. And so they designed a cytometer with our product in it, and then the customer got to go and fly on the Vomit Comet. And we've got great pictures of the customer flying in the air. He's floating, and then the product is somewhere in a black box behind him. But anyway, we know the product is in there, and it performed very well. So that's that's exciting. That's kind of fun to voyeuristically watch your product flying on the Vomit Comet.